Jean dribble the ball. Pass to Simon. Seryoso na si Miss Victor. Pass to Simon. Simon. Pass to Anthony. 2 points. Victor. Pass to Anthony. Pass to Brian. Wala. Sayang yung highlights. 2 points. Brian. Chin. 2 points. Pass to Brian. Wala. Brian Chok for 2. By Simon. Simon. Pass to Anthony. 2 points. Condition. Pass to Victor. 2 points. Back to Simon. Bakit walang pumapasok ngayon, Simon? 2 points. Nangiyak ka nung nakaraan. To number 7, Cruz. Steal by Eboy. Eboy! What a shot! Parang grabe, steal ka agad, oh. Anthony, 2 points. Oy, no. Eboy. Pass to Simon. 2 points. Eboy. Wow. 2 points. To Steve Eboy. What a alley-oop play. Bulacan Boys connection. Basket count. Pass to Queton. Pass to Bill. Good ball, good ball, good ball. Basket. Kevin. Wala. Uy, 3 points. Bill, oh, dandan Bill. Pass to Queton. 2 points. Ito, labanan ng manalaki talaga to. Pass to Kim. Kim. Tumira. Bang! Oy, no. 3. Pass to Eboy. Pass to Jose Boy. Back to Jose Boy. Grabe. Ito yung tinatawag na totoong papaus. Eboy. Grabe. Umuwi ka na ng Pilipinas. 1 minute and 58 seconds. Bill drive to the basket. Bill. Oh, no. 3 points. Finally. 2 points for Ronald. 15 seconds to shoot. Eboy. 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 3 points. Hoy, no. Drive to the basket. 2 points. Simon. Open for 3. Bang, wala. Rebound by Victor. Wala. Good. Rebound by to Victor. Fast break. 2 points. Anthony. Number 12. Drive to the basket. 2 points. Oh, Anthony to Simon. Ben! Kalma na yung coach nila ngayon. 2 points. Bukluy for 3 points. Anthony to Victor. Victor for 3. Ben! Simon. 2 points. What a play. Mangboy. Pass to Anthony. 2 points. 2 points. 4:34. Basket. Pass to partner Anthony. Bang. 3. Diretso daw, diretso. 2 points. 59 seconds. Basket count for Bryant. Oino. 2 points. Pass to Joens. 3 points. Kevin, back to Oino. Open for 3. On, bingo. 8 minutes and 30. Bill to Eboy. Open for 3. Bang! Nice pass. 2 points, 4 number minutes and 50 seconds. Bill, Pedon. Nice pass. 2 points for Bill. Jesse Boy. To Jordy. Jordy hop step. Grabe. Pass to Bill. Bill Chong. Drive to the basket. 2 points. 3. Nice move. Grabe yung mga move ni Jordy. Pass to Pedon. Nice shot. Ronald, 2 points. Bill. Ay, nako. Ano ko? Sa tayo ba? 2 points. Dueton. Ronald. Grabe naman. Tuloy pa. Sayang yung mapawis. 2 points. Dakdak mo! Basket. Dueton. Yes! 1 minute 55. 2 points. 30.